Spotify Camp Nou is entering another major phase of transformation, and the latest progress is impossible to miss. The compression ring is rapidly advancing toward the Tribuna, while ceramic louvers continue reshaping the stadium's iconic facade. With the first permanent floodlights now arriving and the third tier taking shape, another major phase of the stadium's transformation is officially underway. From the Barca viewpoint at the south goal, the panoramic view once again reveals the scale of the stadium's transformation, while the compression ring will be examined from another angle to assess its latest progress. Moving toward the VIP rings, work in this section remains focused on interior finishing, while the lateral sector is expected to become the first area to open, including both the VIP ring and the third tier. Around the south goal, decorative louvers continue to advance across the stadium facade, although some cores are still waiting for their supporting superstructures and brackets to be installed. As this work gradually progresses toward the Tribuna stand, these distinctive elements are giving Spotify Camp Nou its unique architectural identity. Work on the third tier continues to move forward across several sections of the stadium. Construction crews remain focused on completing the structural framework while preparing additional support elements for the next phase of work. Scaffolding and access platforms remain active throughout the upper levels as work continues simultaneously in multiple areas. New sleeper beams are also being installed where the compression ring will eventually connect, allowing the upper structure to continue developing as planned. Another important milestone has been reached as the first permanent floodlight units have now arrived at the stadium. Several lighting fixtures are positioned near the upper scaffolding ready for installation, while additional lighting equipment has also been delivered to the site. These preparations indicate that installation of the permanent stadium lighting system will begin in the near future. This marks the beginning of another major phase as the stadium's future matchday lighting system starts taking shape. Construction continues to advance around the South Gal elevator core as the interior scaffolding has now been removed, signaling that major structural work inside the mobility core is nearing completion. With the internal section now cleared, crews are preparing the exterior for the next phase where sandwich panel installation is expected to begin soon, gradually enclosing the entire elevator structure. Once these panels are installed, the mobility core will begin taking on its final external appearance, marking another important step in this area of the stadium. Ceramic louver installation continues to expand across the north goal where nearly the entire section is now covered. Only a few small openings remain between structural segments, while additional louver panels are already positioned nearby, ready for installation as facade work continues moving forward. With each new section completed, the North Gal facade is rapidly approaching full first-level coverage. Construction also continues around the North Gal mobility core, where workers remain active on the elevator structure and surrounding service areas. With earlier structural work completed, crews are now progressing through finishing tasks and preparing the remaining sections for exterior enclosure and facade installation. Activity remains constant throughout the area as several work teams operate simultaneously. One of the biggest developments comes from the north gold corner, where ceramic louver installation has officially expanded toward the Tribune. Several new louvers have already been installed, marking the beginning of facade work in another key section of the stadium. With more materials already on site, installation is expected to continue rapidly, allowing this corner to quickly match the surrounding completed sections. From a new observation point, we now have a clear view of the latest compression ring pillar installed in the north goal section, along with the temporary support structure being positioned between the pillars. With only 2 more pillars needed, the compression ring is now very close to reaching the Tribuna stand, meaning it is likely to arrive there before the decorative louvers. And with that, another major update from Spotify Camp Nou comes to an end. The stadium continues to evolve with every passing week, as construction steadily moves closer to the final vision of this iconic project. The transformation is becoming more impressive with every new stage. and there is still much more to come.